Hi everyone, I'm John. I would like to introduce you to our newly expanded range of stock hot tub covers. Building on the success of our ever-popular economy range, we now have our premium range fully in stock and ready to ship. So what sets the new range apart? Well, every premium hot tub cover from Hydrospares comes with the weatherlock system as standard. So as you can see from around me, we're now holding many more shapes and sizes right here in our UK warehouse so you can get the perfect fit without the weight. So if your current cover is looking a bit tired, like this one here, there's never been a better time to upgrade. Let's take a closer look at what's in the box and what makes the new Hydrospares covers with the weatherlock system so special. Well, first up, the Weather Shield outer fabric. This material is much stronger and significantly lighter than traditional vinyl. It won't shrink or crack over time and is much more chemically resistant and UV stable, making it ideally suited to hot tubs. Secondly, the reinforced galvanized metal spine. Now this adds a serious strength to the center of the cover, helping it withstand years of use. Thirdly, we're using thicker insulation. We've increased the core thickness to 12 centimeters in the center, tapering to an impressive 8 centimeters at the edges. Plus, we use a higher density foam at 25 kilograms per cubic meter for superior heat retention. And lastly, an aluminium heat sealed wrap. Now this is a real game changer, and every premium cover comes with a thick aluminium wrap that's heat welded and shrink sealed around the polystyrene core. It prevents water and steam from penetrating the insulation, thus further aiding heat retention. So unlike standard covers that just use a basic polythene wrap. So whether you're replacing an old cover or upgrading to something more efficient, our premium range is built to last and is now in stock. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.